2 1-minute signals, 2 positive closes, $792 in one continuous recording. This time we're testing Rocket on 60-second setups. Rocket stays on the right, pocket option on the left, and every entry is placed manually. First setup, AUD, USD, OTC with a 1-minute expiration. Rocket analyzes the current market conditions and returns buy. I enter $450 manually. The position closes on screen for $864, a net result of plus 414. Then I switch to Euro, USD, OTC and keep the same 1-minute expiration. Rocket runs the analysis again and returns sell. Another $450 entry is placed manually. 60 seconds later, the second position closes for $828, net plus 378. The balance moves from $40,130.50 to $40,922.50. 2 signals, 2 positive closes. Total result plus $792 in this specific recorded session. Rocket never opens a trade automatically. It helps structure the analysis and returns one clear direction at a time. Head over to our Telegram channel and learn more about Rocket.